Hello, my name is Jerome, and welcome to my RC Construction YouTube channel. Today, I'm remaking a video I made yesterday because the information was not correct. I was showing how to put grease into the hub of my SK500 excavator. And yesterday, I took off one of these screws and one of these screws, and that is not correct. So let me show you what to do. There are two screws here that I'm unscrewing to remove this top plate. All right, now once this plate is off, I can put a syringe in this hole where one of these two screws were. I can put syringe in either one of these to get lubrication on these outer needle bearings. And this is what's inside of there right here. Your planetary gears are on the inside, and on the outside of this are your needle gears. So they sit out here. So putting a syringe in this hole and this hole will get lubrication in the outer gears. The only way to get lubrication on these inner planetary gears is to actually remove this whole cover, pull the gears out, clean them off, of course, and put the lube on and put them back in there. So I am going to demonstrate how to put grease in these holes. So here I have my Super Lube 21030, which is the greatest gear grease made. And I have a syringe that I use for refilling ink cartridges for a printer. Put some lube in here. Let me put the needle on the syringe. And I'll push this plunger forward. And there's already grease in here. Some may come out the top. Evidently, now there we go. Let me grab a paper towel. All right, so I am going to stick this syringe in here. And press it until I see some grease come out. Then I know that someone in there is coming out now. I'll do this second hole. And I suppose if you wanted to be more efficient, you could take one of these screws out at the opposite end and inject some in there. And it's coming out. And with that, I would turn it on. Whoa. And run the track. So this just lets the grease move around, and then you repeat this process several times to get grease inside of the needle bearings there. And that's the process. All right, this is my update of the corrected information. The video I made yesterday, I actually put grease in one of these. Oops. Let me lower him. The video I made yesterday, I actually put grease in one of the holes up here, and that would not do anything because all of the stuff is down here. All right, that's my video for today. Click like if you like what you saw, if the information helped you, and I will talk to you later.